To begin, coat your paper with a nice even coat of the chemical solution. This is the colour you want, this limey green. When the paper is bone dry, you can assemble your artwork and paper in a frame. And this is to prevent any movement during the exposure. If you want to do daylight exposures, for a comparison, we're doing one exposure with a lamp for 15 minutes and one exposure with the app for 2 minutes 45 seconds. You're ready to wash the print. Remove everything from the frame. You should see a little bit of a ghost image before you wash it. It's just clean tap water. If you gently rock it, it should get more contrasty as you wash the unexposed chemical out. After a few minutes of washing, remove any excess water with a paper towel and leave it to dry. It should darken further. The one on the left is exposed with sunlight and the one on the right is exposed with a lamp. All links are in the description. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments.